This is the Mercedes-Benz Sindelfingen plant in 1970s Germany. The W116 280S was not built in hours, it took days. Nearly 30,000 workers built these cars by hand. Pay was about 1,800 Deutsche Marks, enough to raise a family. Every task was manual hammering, welding, fitting. Steel sheets became panels, welded piece by piece. Forklifts roared, sparks flew, blueprints hung above stations. No robots, no automation, just hands, tools, and skill. Some repeated one task for years, others rotated jobs. Every worker carried pride. This was a Mercedes. The star badge meant precision, strength, and respect. First, to wear the S-Class badge, Sonderklasse. Inline-6 engine, smooth suspension, legendary safety. Introduced crumple zones and four-wheel disc brakes. Loud, hot, but disciplined. Perfection mattered more than speed. Workers checked every weld, every panel. A car only moved forward if flawless. Hundreds of welds shaped the skeleton. Steel panels turned into cars, stronger than rivals. Crumple zones built to save people, not steal. Taxis in Africa and Greece ran 20-30 years. Fixable without computers, rare today. Bodies dipped in anti-rust baths. Primer baked, color sprayed by hand. Clear coat sealed deep, glossy finishes. Inline 6 built step by step, checked by hand. Charts guided workers. No sensors, only skill. Engines weren't fast to build, they were perfect. Leather, wood trim, silent cabins. Every car water tested, inspected, rechecked. No car left good enough. Many still running today, prized by collectors. Not just transport machines built for decades. The W116 wasn't rushed, it was crafted. And that soul, built by thousands of hands, still lives today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into automotive history, hit like, share this video, and subscribe. Because here, inside this factory, legends weren't just made, they were built by hand.